Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys two ways on how you can animate text on CapCut PC. Go to text, add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word animation. I'm also going to change the font. You don't have to select the same font as I am, and also going to change the color as well. Might add in like a shadow or something. Hold on. Okay, maybe like a darker shade. That. I'm just trying to make it like good. Look good. There we go. Then the first way is just you can go to animation here and you can select any animations you want. Some of them are pro. You can add in like an in animation here and then an out animation, and you can also add in like a loop animation, and you can adjust the speed here, but you can essentially add in those three. So it's going to add in the fade in, combo, I guess like the during animation. I don't know what it's called. No, it's called the loop one. You can add that. But what I like to do is I like to add in the loop one, adjust like the speed of it, and I like to right click on the text, create compound clip, go to animation, and I like to add in the like combo animation that they have like here. This one and that one as well, but I like to add in the video animation instead of the text one. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!